Welcome back, guys, to what I think is going to be a part 2 to those blues, those big gator blues we were getting yesterday. So I'm back out here. This time I came more prepared with wire leader, bigger lures, stronger rods, and I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get them good on the top water, especially. I brought a bunch of top water. I lost like 2 poppers yesterday, but we're out here. If you could look around, you see behind me, the water is glass, so it's gonna make it easy to see them kind of busting at the top. Most of the fishing I'm hoping that's gonna happen today is gonna be the bluefish in 2 to 3 feet of water. We're gonna be hanging out in like the boat channel, which is maybe like 7 to 10 feet. And we're just gonna cast into the 2 to 3 feet and bring it in. And I'm telling you guys, if it's anything like yesterday, we are in for a good time today. Catch you guys when I catch. All right, guys, we're on. Looked like it was a little guy. I feel like the bigger guys are coming out to play soon. I just gotta find him. Nice jump, bud. Oh, all right, he's off. You guys saw him. Wasn't that big. So I don't mind losing him. Let's see if we could get up a bigger one. And I'm gonna go down to where I saw bigger ones yesterday. Yeah, baby. Come on. Yeah. Tire yourself out, bud. Holder, my fish grip. Okay. All right, guys. Good size blue. I think we're gonna get bigger ones soon. Right on the popper. Let's get this guy off. All right, guys. Let this guy go. Peace out. Wire's working wonders. Not breaking or nothing. Oh, spit it out. Oh, right, come on, come on. Oh, yep. Good size, I think. Oh, nope. Still on. Still on. Stay with me, bud. Stay with me, bud. Nicer size, I think. Show yourself. Oh. All right, we'll go in circles for this guy until he tires out a bit. just about ready. All right, guys, a little bit bigger than the last. That's great. Yeah, guys, that's a gator blue if I've ever seen one. It's a big one. Check it out, guys. Nice big blue. This is what's out here, and you could catch these all day right now, this size, easily. I think this is probably like a 30 or something. I'm gonna check right now. Bite me. We're having fun, I tell you that much. I'm moving. All right, fellas, we got us a 35. This is one of the bigger guys. All right, he's got himself off. Oh man. So, as I said, big boys coming out to play. Beautiful. So guys, so I can pretty much tell you for the next 2 hours, 3 hours, if I want, I'm playing with those guys constantly. So let's keep getting more until I'm tired. See this guy right in front of us? Oh, yep. Don't go under the boat. Don't go under the boat. Don't go under the boat. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Just don't go under the boat. Yeah, you guys wanted to hear a reel? That's what we call a drag. Oh, guys, and you can see there's just his buddy is just around. So what I learned yesterday from messing up on big fish was you got to keep them away from the boat, tire them out first, and then at a certain point they get tired enough that they're not going to go crazy next to your boat, get caught in the rudder, get caught in this mirage drive if you have a hobie, and less likely to jump up and bite you by accident or on purpose. But you know, just testing him out. He's definitely weaker than he was. You wanna run again? I don't mind him running as long as he doesn't go under the boat. Yeah, fin. This is great. I think these bluefish are the closest thing to Florida type fighting fish that we have in New York, which at least inshore. Every now and then we'll get Spanish mackerel and albies, but these guys, I'd say we got another in in the 30s over here. Oh man, I keep catching them. I'll keep catching them all day. Nope. Peace out, bud. Well, he got off. I'd say he was like 32 maybe. Something nice. Let's see if we got in the 40s, man. Looking for number 40. When you're getting big guys and you get used to it, it's never enough. You just want bigger. Where's Mr. 40? Let's see. Maybe he's this way. Yeah. Oh no. Oh shit. These fish are coming at us quick. Whoa. Whew. Oh man. Oh, it came off. That's all right. Let's get his brother. You never know where you hook them when they go top water. Sometimes you get them foul hooked and they're just hanging on by a little bit of their skin, like on the side of their back or on the side of themselves, not like nicely in the mouth. So once you start to get them near the boat and they fight a little bit harder, if it's only hooked a little bit by, like, you know, like the side of their skin, they'll just rip right out. Ain't much holding it there. Not much you can do about that one. Yep. Oh, come on. Okay. Alright, this guy's not fighting yet, which means he will. I don't want him to get too close to the boat before he starts fighting. But I think that's what he might be wanting to do. Oh, striper! Woo! Striper, guys! Yes! Woo! There's striper here too. Yeah, buddy. How you doing? Finally, I could put my... Oh, dude, you're gonna relax? Nice. Yes, sir, bud. You guys, striper. It's probably 26. I don't know. It's nice. Oh yeah, yeah, buddy. Yeah, yeah, buddy. Wanna jump for us again? Decent size. I think he's getting tired. Definitely in the 30s. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Well. I think I got you. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. You see this guy? Oh. Oh. Might be my new biggest. He's a big one. Oh man, I gotta get an accurate reading on you. Okay. Whew, definitely fatty. Okay, 36. Still not bigger than my biggest, which was 37. He's a pretty guy. Okay. Open your mouth, open your mouth. All right, we're gonna revive him. But you, my buddy. Okay, let's go for a ride. Look how beautiful he is, guys. Alright, I think he wants to go. Peace out. Nice, guys. So far, that was the biggest of the day, 36. Let's keep going. I don't know, I didn't think he looked that big, relatively. Yeah, no. He's a little guy. But he might be annoying to get off. Oh! He's not a little guy, he's a striper guy. But still a short. Oh, always glad to see you. You just don't fight as well. It's your blue friends. Another beautiful striper specimen. So, part of fishing in marshlands, it's bugs. A whole bunch of little bugs all over me. That's all right. That's why I got this fully covered. So I just got to deal with them on my face. It isn't so bad. Yeah, yep. Oh, you didn't see that, guys, but he's the jumper. Jump for me. Woo! He's an acrobat, this guy. I promise he's not a paid actor, guys. But he's acting like one. Hey, don't tell him. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, big guy. You have enough, big guy? Okay, I'll fill this. Peace out, bud. Well, guys, what more can you ask for? Big gator blues, a little bit of stripers, large schoolies in the mix, on top water, on the marshlands, at 2 to 3 feet of water where you could see their fins. You can see them go for it. Man, days like today don't happen often enough, but because they don't happen that often, that's what makes them special. Man, I hope to get into some more days like this, and I hope the fish get bigger and bigger. Until next time, guys, stay groovy.